Happy birthday, Pray. Mag-aral kang lagi, mag-aral na mabuti, ha? God bless you. I love you.
Wait lang, okay.
O sige. O sige na.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Pray. Enjoy your birthday. Have fun. Oh, mag-aral kang mabuti, ha? Okay.
Game naman.
Ay, magsasalita na ba ako?
Opo.
Hello, Pray. Si Grandma ito. Kumusta ka na? Happy birthday in advance. Oh, ilang taon ka na?
Tapos sumagot.
Hindi naman sumagot.
I pray, happy birthday. Happy 8th birthday. Hope you be a good girl. I love you.
Hi, Pray. Happy 8th birthday. May your day filled with happiness and joy. May the Lord always guide you, protect you, and bless you always. Just enjoy being a kid. Huwag kang magmadaling magdalaga. Enjoy mo lang pagiging bata mo. And stay smart. Mag-aral kang mabuti. And I wish na sana lumaki kang maging magalang, may takot sa Diyos, masunurin, at responsible. And I wish you all the best. Mahal na mahal ka namin. And I hope to see you soon. Again, happy birthday. We love you.
Hi, Pray. Happy birthday.
Kailang, okay.
Hi, Pre. Happy birthday, Pre. Sana lumaki ka na. Sige. Yun lang.
Hello, Pre. Hi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday pala. So, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana ay lagi kang gabayan ni Lord. At bigyan ka niya lagi ng pag-asa sa buhay. Walang ibang magagabay sa'yo kundi si Lord. At ganoon din sila mama at papa mo. We love you.
Hello, Pre. Happy birthday. Sana matupad yung mga pangarap mo. Kabait ka lagi. I wish na marating mo yung mga gusto mong maabot na pangarap mo, ha? At makabait ka lagi. Lagi kang mag-pray. At lagi ko rin pinag-pray na lagi kang ligtas kahit nasaan ka. Lagi kang safe at bigyan ka ni Lord ng wisdom mo at magandang future mo. I love you, Pray.